Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to match single characters with multiple possibilities. You learned how to match literal patterns with the literal and the wildcard character, so the period, and literal just would match anything that says literal. Those are the extremes of regular expressions, where one finds exact matches and the other matches everything. There are options that are a balance between the two extremes. You can search for a literal pattern with some flexibility with character classes. Character classes allow you to define a group of characters you wish to match by placing them inside the square. By placing them inside square brackets. For example, you want to match bag, big, bug, and not bog. You can create the regex B and then AIU. So on the outside is B and on the outside is G, and on the inside it can be either A, I, or U. To do this, the AIU is the character class that will only match the characters A, I, or U. So we've got big, bag, bug, bog, and then the BG regex. And so here it would return null for the bog string because there is no O in here, but it will return true, or returns, oh, this is dot match, so it will return an array with the string of the thing that matches here. So we've got big returns true because it's B, I, G, and then bag, B, A, G, and then bug. But then it returns null here because there's none B, there's no O in here, so it does not render anything here. So we want to use a character class with vowels, A, E, I, or U, in your regex, vowel regex, to find all the vowels in the string. We want to find all the vowels in the string. So in order to do that, we're just going to go in blocks, and we're going to go A, E, I, O, or U. And then we should find the 25 vowels that are in here. If we do console.log, the result, this will get us the result of what the regex is finding. Currently it's finding an empty array, which isn't correct. You should use a character class. You should find 25 vowels. We're not finding 25 vowels right now. Change this line. Okay. Okay, now our quote sample. Here's what we've got to do. We've got to go quote sample dot match, and then in here we're going to do our vowel regex. Oh, okay, I see. So we want to use the character class vowels in your regex to find all the vowels in the string quote sample. That's the key. We want to find all of them. So to be sure to match both upper and lowercase. So we want to add the flag of case sensitivity into here. And then we also, right now we're only doing it to the first match. So if we add the global strand, then we get that. And so this guy says you should find all 25 vowels. So if we go result dot count dot length, we should find 25 here. And your regex should use a character class. Okay, cool. We've got that. That's this guy right here. Your regex should use case insensitive flag here, and your regex should not match any consonants. So if we were to add a consonant in here, like say P, then this one would fail. But we don't want to do that. We want everything to pass. So we'll run the test and we see they pass. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next lesson.